Okay, so today I've decided to try canyoning. So I don't know what canyoning was until I checked it out. Basically, it's just going down rivers with ropes and jumping off stuff and things. I'm at a place called Otsugi, which is near Komatsu city. And yeah, today I'm going to try out this place. I don't know, the place is called Iron Outdoor Adventures. And so yeah, let's check out how this experience goes. Okay, so let's see what the go is. Okay, so yes, here we go. Okay, hey, how are you going?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Very good. Okay.
Good.
So, what's your name?
Iron. I'm nickname Iron.
Iron?
Yeah, Iron.
That's why it's called Iron Adventures.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's right.
okay, cool. So, I don't know anything about canyoning.
Yeah.
So, what do we do today?
Yeah. So you guys are wearing wetsuits and helmet on,
Right.
and life jacket and harness on, and let's go to waterfall.
Wow, okay, sounds
Waterfalls.
good.
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And use rope and sliding. Yeah. Slider or jump.
All right.
So we make adventure.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
So when I come, is there any special equipment or anything I need to bring with me? Like clothes, or is this fine?
Yeah, just nothing. Swimwear only.
Only,
Yeah.
so only
Yeah,
swimwear.
and towel.
Okay.
Towel, but here.
Okay.
Just finished after use.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so why do you do this? Why do you like canyoning? Difficult question.
So now very sweater.
That's very hot. Yes, yeah.
But we go to mountains.
Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yes.
And exciting.
Yes.
Yeah, and fun.
Oh,
Yeah.
sounds good.
Enjoy. Just enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
let's go.
Hey. Okay, so there's lots of places to go canyoning
Yeah.
in Japan. So why should we come here?
Why?
Yeah, why is this a good place?
It's some waterfall. So, there is some waterfalls
Right, okay.
and beautiful forest. Yeah, and rural.
Okay, so it's very country area. Okay. So you said today we're going to do a difficult course.
Yeah, difficult course. Yeah.
What do people like the most? Do they like waterfall, zip lining, or
Yeah, slider.
the slider?
Yeah.
Okay.
Slider jumping. Yeah.
Okay, I want to try that.
Yeah.
One thing you got to love about Japan is these roads they have in the mountains, and it's not just here; it's everywhere. You can just be in the middle of the mountains that no one really uses, but they always seem to keep the roads in reasonable, awesome condition. So it's really a great service that Japan has. Okay, so we've arrived at the start of the course, and they kit you up in all this stuff. You got all the boots and everything, and it's just sitting up behind us. And yeah, let's see how this goes.
Slide up. Ready? Oh yeah, baby. Look at that, eh? Look where I am on a Sunday. It's great. Wow. I should have looked down. This is awesome.
Yeah. It's good view.
It's a cool view. I got adrenaline going. Love it.
Okay, so that was an awesome experience. I really enjoyed it. Had a bit of everything, a bit of adrenaline, excitement, water, cool down in summer. You just look around me, you've got a beautiful nature around here, and I had a great guide, Atsugi.
Atsugi Maeda.
Yes, okay, very good. And he runs a tour here. What's the name of your tour?
Iron Adventures.
So Iron Adventures, he runs that, and he's a great guy, great guide. I wish I could do this for my job like him.
Yeah.
We could do this every day. But yeah, I totally recommend it, and it's one of those things. I've lived in Kanazawa for a long time, and I just never even realized this place existed. So it always makes you wonder, like, you just have to get out there, push yourself, just look for something that's new in your life. So yeah, as I always say, find it, experience and enjoy it. Get out and do those things that you always put off or never thought of doing, and just try to be better in your life. Okay, peace.